Ma'am is also ready.
Ma'am.
Kumari Gurubalan, join your hands, close your eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes. Very good.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Close your eyes. Kumar, Gautam, good evening, Gautam. Let's do Kidsy Anthem. Join your hands, close your eyes. Yes. Kidsy Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Don't open. Don't open. Keep your eyes closed. I'm going to show you a picture, okay? Seeing that picture, we are going to do the evening activity today, okay? Second. Open your eyes now. Open your eyes now. See what are these animals doing? They are going around in a circle. You remember last week we did an activity like this? Going around in a circle. Yes. So today what we are going to do?
Wow.
Open your eyes. Everybody see this.
Pet animal.
Is it a pet animal?
Wild animal. Wild animal.
Yeah, there are wild animals, and I think there is a dog there. There is a dog there. There is a wolf there. I think there's a tiger there. The wild animals and pet animals are there. So what we are going to do? The activity is we are going to go in circle today, slowly. Okay. So get ready, everyone. Stand up. Stand up first. Ready? Out about Arjun, Jai Krish, Lisha, get up, get up. Yes, Jake. Yes, Grithvik. Thank you. So we are going to go like that in a small circle, slowly 5 times. And then reverse 2 times. Okay? Yes, Kumaragaran, can you stand up? Only after ma'am says ready, get, set, go, you should go. Okay? Stop, stop, stop. We'll do it together. All our friends together will do. Yes. Ready? You saw the activity how to do? Going around in a circle, okay? Ready? Get, set, keep everything down, get ready. Go! 1 round, first 1 round, go round 1. Slowly, slowly, don't hit anywhere on the wall or somewhere. 2, slowly, slowly, slowly. 3, slowly. 4, small circle will do. Arav Akshat, you are hitting each other. Go in a circle, you are going in squares. 5. Stop. Stop. Okay, now we are going to go in reverse. Okay, 2 times. Go reverse, reverse, backward walking. 1. Slowly backward walking. 1. Very good, Shravan. 2. Backward walking. Yes, come to your place. Thank you so much. Come to your place now. Come and sit down. Okay, 2 times we are going to do now. Raising our hands up, down, like this, stretching your hands. Okay, ready? Hands up. Hands up. Up, up, up. I have to see everybody raising your hands up. Sit properly, comfortably. Not on your knees. Nivin Surya, sit properly. Yes, up. Yes. Hands down. Not your tongue. Only your hands down. Side. On both the sides, left and right. Flap it slowly. Flap it slowly. Slowly, flap it slowly. Dayanand, like this. Dayanand, see me. Ah, yes, like that, yes. Fast, flap it fast, flap it fast. Fast, 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 fast. Fast, 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 fast. Slowly. Slowly. Come back. Okay. Done, 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 done. Okay. Now quickly we'll mark our attendance and we'll get back. We have a lot to do today. Okay. So we'll start with Adya Shri.
Here I am.
Arav.
Here I am, man. My name is
Akshat.
Here I am. My name is
Arjun.
Here I am.
Dayanand.
Here I am.
Gautam.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Grithvik.
Here I am.
Jayakrish.
Here I am, ma'am.
Kaushik. Has Kaushik not joined? Kaushik? Yeah, he's there. Kaushik, say here I am. Kaushik, I can't hear you. Can you say here I am?
ஆடாமுக்கா சார் உடஞ்சிரும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஆடாமுக்கா
Okay. Kavin. Kumaragurupara.
அப்படியே உட்காந்துருப்பாங்க
Kumaragurupara. Say here I am. Lakshita ji.
Ma Lakshita good. Ma
Lakshita ji. Okay. Can others please stay on mute? Please, that help us everybody to hear properly, please.
Ma
Lakshraj.
mute cut me.
Thank you, Lakshraj. Lisha. Lakshita S.
Yes, Lakshita. Here I am.
Very good, Lakshita. Thank you so much. Satvik.
Here I am.
Very good. Divin Surya. Very good. Roshan.
Here I am.
Roshan. Mahaswin. Okay, Mahaswin. Diane Roberts.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Ryan, I got it. Thank you. Sai Siran.
Here I am.
Izan. What about Izan? No? Okay. Shiva.
Good evening, ma'am. Here I am.
Okay. Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Varnika.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai, can you say here I am?
Here I am.
Thank you so much, children. Very good. Thank you so much.
Here I am.
I was not able to say individually. Thank you so much for giving your attendance. Give a big round of applause for everyone. Everybody got used to nicely now to say here I am without any confusion. Very good, children. Super. So I'm going to call Lakshita S to sing with me. Okay, you can sing with me. Fly, fly, butterfly. Okay, Lakshita S. You are getting help from your mom for unmuting? Okay, we'll wait. Meanwhile, I'm going to ask I'm going to ask Shiva. Shiva, you're going to sing with me in Vinci Spider Shiva. Lakshita, let her come. We'll sing with you, okay? Before that, we'll sing with Shiva. Yes, Shiva, are you ready, Shiva? Show me thumbs up. Shall we sing Infinity Spider? Yes. You can unmute. Shiva, you can unmute. We'll sing together. Incy. No, Incy. Keep that down. Something. Went up.
Find the route.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up. You okay? Shiva, sing after me. Okay.
Rainy water.
Okay, Shiva.
இது இல்ல வெடி
Shiva, Shiva, look at me. Look at me. Sing with me. Okay. Incy wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy wincy spider went up the spout again. Good, Shiva. Okay, Lakshita. Okay, you can just sing with me. Even if you're mute, that's fine. Sing with me. Everybody sing with me now. Fly, fly. Lakshita, that's okay. Sing with me. Fly, fly. Butterfly. In the garden. Fly away. Over all pretty flowers. Fly, fly. Butterfly. Good. Okay. So now we have sang the rhyme. I'm going to tell you a story. Do you all like dinosaur? Yes? I'm going to show you a dinosaur story. Nobody should unmute. You're just going to look on the screen. Sit properly. Only then I'll show you the story. I see many of you lying down like this, all. No, sit straight. Sorry. Is man sitting straight? Yes. Only if you show smiley face, I'll show you the story. Open your eyes. Show me the smiley face. Look at ma'am. Okay. So now yes, Izan is joining. Yes, welcome Izan. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Izan. Okay. Okay, you all see my screen now? Yes. Let me see if anybody is showing me thumbs up. Are you all able to see the story? Show me thumbs up. Izan, thank you so much. Please stay on mute, Izan. Yes, thank you, Shravan. Okay. So this is the story we're going to see. You know what? Dinosaur story. Okay. So there was one big dinosaur. Okay. It's like you can have. This is a bigger dinosaur, and it has teeth like the crocodile. See. Or you can have this as a crocodile, whatever you want. I took it as a dinosaur. You can have it as crocodile too. It wanted to eat a burger. So it was dreaming, I love burgers. I want to eat burgers. I'm so hungry. The burgers will be very tasty. How many of you like burgers? How many of you like burgers? Okay. Okay. So this crocodile or dinosaur, it also wanted to eat. We'll have this crocodile. That will be easy for us. Yeah. So this green crocodile, it wanted to eat the burger. So it was thinking, where will I get the burger? I have to go to the forest. In forest, there is a small restaurant. I'm going to go there and then fetch the burger and eat. So it is going to the forest. You know, when it goes to the forest, it saw one girl and a boy. They are having so many burgers. See, there are a lot of trees here and they are having lot and lot of burgers. So he thought, wow, I'm so hungry and luckily I got so many burgers. Okay, now the dinosaur don't know what to eat. Okay, it don't know whether to go and get it from this girl or from this boy. Then it is thinking, I am so hungry and I like burgers very much. So I'm going to eat the burgers which is more, which is greater. So what did it do? It started counting. Okay. First it went to the boy and it counted. How many burgers are there? 1, 2, 3. There were 3 burgers. So it wrote 3 here. Okay. And it went to the girl and it started counting. How many burgers are there? Let's count. 1. You count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it had 10 burgers. So it thought this boy is having only 3. The girl is having 10. Okay, Izan, tell me which is more? 10 is more or 3 is more?
10.
It is greater. 10. So what did it do? The crocodile. It opened the mouth towards the bigger number 10. So it ate all these 10 burgers. Big burgers it had. So it went to the boy or the girl, Izan?
3. Then 3.
It went to the boy or girl? It went to the girl. Because the girl had 10 burgers, greater number. The boy had only 3. Yes. So then what happened? Again it went here. Okay. Now next day. So now hungry, I had burgers. Next day also it was very hungry. Same day it saw. Next day also it found a boy and a girl. Okay. Now it thought, yesterday I had 10 burgers. Okay. Now today also I want to eat more because I like burgers. So it went again and counted. There are only 2 burgers. Here the girl is having 1, 2. So here 2. Okay. Then it counted how many burgers are this the boy. Today the boy is having more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this boy is having 6 today. So who is having more? Nivin Surya, who is having greater burgers? The boy or the girl? Boy. So see the crocodile. The crocodile is opening the mouth here. So whichever number is greater, the crocodile will open the mouth that side. In this picture, this girl had more, so the crocodile is opening the mouth towards the girl. Here the boy is having more, so the crocodile is opening the mouth here, this side. And now I'm going to ask, Ryan is going to help me. Okay, Ryan, please unmute. Let's count together. Now at night, see the moon is there at night. The crocodile is feeling little hungry. Okay. So what it wanted to do? Again it want burger. So it found the boy and girl again in the forest at night. Rayan, have you unmuted, Rayan? Rayan, can you unmute? Is it possible? Okay. Thank you, Rayan.
Yes, ma'am.
So will you count with me? Count this green color. That's the easy way for us. 1, 2. How many burgers the girl is having? 2. Let's count. Yeah, let's count how many burgers the boy is having. 1, 2. How many burgers the boy is having? Both are having. Who is having more? Nobody. Yes, she is also having 2. He is also having 2. Both are having equal. So the dinosaur don't know whom to get it from. See? So this is equal. The burgers are equal. Both the girl and the boy are having same burgers. So the crocodile is thinking, yesterday I ate from the girl. Next day I ate from the boy. Today again I eat from the girl. So both are equal, right? So it is getting from the girl and eating. Okay. So you all understood the story?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sure. Let me see. Come back and see you all. Did you all like the story? Yes. Show me thumbs up if you like the story. Roshan is showing like this. He didn't like the story. Okay.
Please.
Nivin Sura is showing like this. He didn't like the story. Okay. Who is showing? Lakshraj liked the story. Lisha liked the story. Jayakrish is showing like this. He didn't like it. Okay. Nivin Surya liked it. Ryan, did you like it, Ryan? Okay, Ryan liked it. Arjun, he doesn't know. He's showing both. Arjun liked it. Okay.
I also like it.
Okay. Jayakrish, Roshan, I'll tell you some interesting story on Wednesday. Okay.
I also like it.
Good, Sai. You liked it? Nice to hear that. Okay.
My t-shirt.
Oh, you got same dinosaur crocodile on. What is that?
Dinosaur.
Oh, same. Yeah, very similar to the picture I showed you. Yes. Nice day, Krish. Okay. Don't scare me. Okay. So, children, so what we are going to do is we are going to do greater than and less than today. Okay. So, we are going to mark whichever side is having more, greater. We are going to draw the crocodile mouth. Understood? Yes. So, let's all do the worksheet now. Please take the worksheet today. I'm just going to open it. Meanwhile, get the pencils ready, worksheet book ready. We are in day 21. So please take day 21 empty worksheet, math worksheet. I'll share the screen. You will know what I'm talking about. Okay? Okay, ma'am is opening the worksheet. Okay, I've opened the worksheet. I'll share you now. So please take day 21 empty worksheet. Day 21 empty worksheet. Empty.
Ma'am, I can't see.
I'm going to show you now. I just opened it. I'm going to show you now. Okay. It's day 21 empty worksheet. This is what I was talking about. Everybody took the same worksheet. Are you with me in the same page? Yes, please take, those who have rough note, please take a rough note. Write your name. What happened, Yuvansa? You have the worksheet or rough note? Take out your rough note. Why are you sad, Yuvansa? What happened? Take out your rough note and pencil. Keep the other things down. You're a good boy. Keep it other things down. Okay, write your name and today's date is 13 July. So 13/07/13. 6 you're having. Yes, the same worksheet, Saichan, you're right. Take that. Yes, it starts with 6. 6, 5, yeah. Lakshita, did you take the worksheet? Lakshita S. I want everybody to take the worksheet together so that we'll complete it together. Okay, I don't want any lag. Everybody take the same worksheet I'm showing now. Write your name and put today's date. Write your name neatly, children. And write today's date. I think most of you have got worksheets. In the rough note, if you have rough note, no problem. Write today's date, 13/7/2020 in a rough note and write the first number. Write number 6, put a small square and write number 5 in the rough note. Those who are writing in the rough note, take like this. Write the first one. 6, small box and then write 5. Are you all written your name and date? Shall we start? Arjun, what happened, Arjun? Come sit down, Arjun. We'll finish it fast, fast, fast. Yes, okay. So I'm going to start from, we'll start from whom? Shall we start from, around 27, no? We'll start from 14, okay? We'll go up. So I'm going to start from Lakshraj, okay? I'm going up the name. So Lakshraj, can you just help me out? Are you the, yeah, thank you, Lakshraj. What is the first number, Lakshraj, here? 6. What is the number here? 5, right? So which comes first? For 6 or 5?
6.
Which comes?
5.
5. Only after 5 we get 6. See? After 5 you get 6. So 6 is greater and 5 is smaller, right? So the crocodile will open the mouth towards a greater number or smaller number? Greater number, because it wanted to eat more, right? So what color shall we choose,
Yeah.
Lakshraj? What color? What's your favorite one?
6.
Peach.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, we'll take blue. Okay. That's my favorite color too. Blue is my favorite color. Okay. So shall we draw the crocodile mouth? How do we draw? A slanting line. And then the crocodile is opening the mouth towards this side. Everybody write like this. I'm writing it again with the bigger, thicker one. So the crocodiles always will open the mouth towards the greater number. Towards the greater number. So on the top, if you see.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good. Those who have finished, just check if you're writing the right answer. Others will listen. Okay? So this is greater symbol, this is lesser symbol, and this is equal to. Okay? So now 6 is greater. We have written like this. Next, I'm going to call upon Lakshita ji. Lakshita ji, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you see what is the first number here?
This is okay. Say what number?
What is this?
1.
1. What is this?
The 1 is apple. It's so nice.
What is this?
It is 4.
4. Okay. Which is greater? 4 or 1? Which is greater?
Which is greater? It's okay. Answer. It's okay. Number is 1. Yes.
This 4 is greater, right? So the crocodile will open the mouth towards 4. What color shall we write? What color you want? We'll choose the color.
Okay. Okay.
What color you want? I didn't hear the color.
What?
I think I'm not hearing her.
Yeah.
Can you be a bit louder, Lakshita? Your voice is not. Okay.
Pink color.
Okay, I got it now. So I'm going to take and then draw the crocodile mouth towards this side. Okay. Next, quickly we'll finish this. I'm going to call Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan, can you help me? What is this number?
2.
2. Yes, very good. What is this number? 6. This is 2. This is 6. If I give you 2 chocolates and I give you 6 chocolates, which will you take? 2 or 6? Which is greater? Which is more? See here. 2 is here. 6 is here. Right? So which comes? 6 comes after 2. See, 2 is here. 6 is here. So 6 comes after 2. So 6 is greater. 2 is smaller. So we are going to draw the crocodile mouth towards 6. The crocodile is opening the mouth towards, say, 6.
And I want yellow color, ma'am.
You want yellow color, Kumara Guruparan? I'll choose yellow color. Okay. Good. Okay. Thank you, Kumara Guruparan. Next, we are going to call Kavan. Kavan is going to help me quickly, Kavan. What is the number here, Kavan?
Two.
2. Very good. What is this?
9.
Which is greater? 2 or 9? Which is greater?
9.
9. Yeah, see, 9 is here. 2 is here. 9 comes after 2. So 9 is greater. So we're going to circle. We're going to open the crocodile mode towards 9.
9.
Next. Yes. Next, Kaushik.
What?
Kaushik, what is this number, Kaushik? Kaushik. Have you unmuted Kaushik? Kaushik is not responding. Okay, we'll go to the next person. Jay Krish. Jay Krish, are you able to see my screen, Jay Krish?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what is this number, Jay Krish?
0.
0. What is this number?
7.
Which is greater? 0 or 7? Which is greater?
Which is greater? You
Which
can.
is greater?
7, ma'am.
7 is greater. 0 is lesser than 7. So open the crocodile mode towards 7. Understood, children? Are you?
Orange color, ma'am.
What is that unmuting? Okay, Jay Krish is done. The next person in the line is Ritvik. Ritvik, are you with me?
1.
Yes, 1. This is, what is this?
1.
What number? Which is greater? Both are. Very good. Both are same. Both are same. When both are same, the crocodile will not open the mouth. What will the crocodile do? It will write like this. If both are same, yes.
Ma'am, Chinnuki, pink color.
Okay, I'll do with pink color. Okay. So when both the numbers are same, children, please listen. This is very important. When the number is greater, the crocodile will open the mouth. See here, 4 is greater than 1. The crocodile opened the mouth towards 4. 6 is greater than 2. So the crocodile mouth opened towards 6. 2 and 9. 9 is greater. So the crocodile opened the mouth towards 9. 0 and 7. 7 is greater. The crocodile opened the mouth towards 7. Whereas here 1, here also 1. Both are equal. This is not greater, this is not small, nothing. So both are equal. So when we have equal, we should put 2 sleeping lines. 2 sleeping lines. I'm going to change it to pink color. You want Ritvik? I'll just give you pink color.
These both are
Equal. Say both are equal, Ritvik.
Both are equal.
Both are equal.
Very good, Ritvik. Yes. Next, I think it's Gautam. Yes, Gautam, you're going to help me with the last one, Gautam.
Yeah.
What is the
Yes,
number here, Gautam?
Solid number.
8.
8. Very good. What is the number here? 2.
The number.
2.
2. Yes. You see here, 2 is here. 2. Say with me, Gautam. 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8. So
8.
8 comes after 2. So which is greater? 2 or 8? Which is greater? 8. 8. Very good. So what color you want?
Green. What color you want?
What color?
Green.
Green.
Green? Okay. So the crocodile is opening the mouth towards 8. Like this. Have you all done with this worksheet? Are you all with me? 6 is greater. So the crocodile is opening the mouth towards 6. 4 is greater. It is opening the mouth towards 4. 6 is greater when compared to 2. So it is opening like this. 9 is greater than 2. So crocodile is opening the mouth towards 9. 7 is greater than 0. So crocodile is open here. 1 and 1 both are equal. So 2 sleeping lines. 8 and 2. Open the mouth. Everybody knows to draw crocodile mouth. If you don't know, yes, slanting line. That's it. Okay. Like V. You will write V like this, right? Instead of that, write this side or this side. Anybody doesn't know, let me know now. Yes, who is that, ma'am? Wait. Who is calling me? Yes, Izan. Tell me, Izan.
You didn't ask me.
Izan, can you please say
He's
on?
telling you didn't ask him.
I'm going in the order, no? I told you your name will come at the last. Okay? Don't worry. I'll call everybody. Don't worry. I'm going the alphabetical order reverse way. Okay? Everybody will get a chance. So finish this one. Okay, quickly we're going to do the same worksheet which we have like this. This is a homework worksheet, right? 20th. So you can do this as a homework. I'll show you again. Just give me a minute. On day 20, it was a homework worksheet. We discussed like after learning the crocodile mouth, we'll do that worksheet, right? So now we have learned. So now if you have not done it on weekend, like Saturday and Sunday, you can do this worksheet as a homework today. SR, D20, MT, WSH, it's a homework worksheet. It's a homework worksheet. So I'll send you the worksheet after the class is over. So those who have worksheet or those who don't have, you can use that as a copy. Okay. So I'm just closing it now. I'll send you this PDF in the group. Okay. We have, I think last week, one day we left out the worksheet. I'll just check if you have not done, we'll do it today. Yes. So this is 18th. Those who have worksheet, please take SR. SRD18, day 18 worksheet. We didn't finish that on that day. Okay, so today we'll finish it together. So please take side children, if just turn your pages back. Let's turn your pages back. It's SRD18 MTWS01. It's day 18 worksheet. Just turn your pages back. Go previous pages. Don't go afterwards. Go before. Turn it like this. Side children, you got it? See. Today we are in day 21, no? Just turn the pages before. Go before. Yes, thank you, Grithvik. Those who have worksheet, are you getting what is the worksheet I'm talking about? Day 18 worksheet. We didn't finish that on that day. Okay, MTWS0, it's a classwork worksheet. Please take that worksheet. We'll do it today. And you are going to help me. Okay, children? Like you did before, you're going to help me. Okay? Now... whose chance was Gautam was over, right? So who is going to help me now is Dayanand Arjun. Okay. Next, I'm going to call upon Dayanand. Are you have everybody taken the worksheet? Yes, day 18 worksheet. You can write your name and we'll start the worksheet now. Does anybody want to ask anything? Is it clear? Any questions before we move on to the next worksheet? Anybody? Any questions? No? Shiva, where is your pencil and worksheet? What happened? I'm watching you, Shiva. I will not give you star in the worksheet if you are not writing. Okay. So now we are in day 18. Dayanand has already unmuted and is ready. Okay, Dayanand, you are ready to help me, Dayanand? Yes. Okay, tell me what is his... Yes, tell me what is his number, Dayanand. 4. What is his... What is his number? 6 or 9? Okay. Which is greater? 4 or 6? Which is greater? 6. Why? After 4, 4, 5, 6. Yes? 6 is greater. Okay, so we are going to draw the crocodile mouth towards this side. Okay? Dayanand done? Yes, Dayanand? Very good. You want violet? Okay. Okay, I'll take violet. I'm going to take Dayanand asked me to take violet. I'm going to take violet. Yes. Okay. Then next I'm going to move upon Arjun. Are you there,
Ma'am, we cannot
Arjun?
see the Excuse me, ma'am. We cannot see the worksheet.
I think somebody started presenting or what? Just give me. Are you able to see now? Are you able to see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now Arjun, tell me what is this number, Arjun?
70.
Very good. What is this number? 9. After 7, 8, 9. So 9 comes after 7. So which is greater? 7 or 9? Which is greater?
9.
9. Very good, Arjun. I'm going to use purple again. Okay, violet color. 9 is greater. Okay.
I want
Next. You want what color?
red.
Red. Okay. I'll take red. Okay, Akshat, get ready, Akshat. I'm going to call you now. Okay, Akshat, what is his number?
5.
5. And what is his number?
1.
1. Which is greater? Only Akshat should answer. 5 is greater. Yes, after 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 comes after 1. So 5 is greater. Araf, tell me now. What is his number?
3.
3. And what is his number?
2.
2. 3 comes after 2 or 2 comes after 3?
2 comes after 3.
No, no. 3 comes after 2.
No.
I know you know that, but while saying you got confused, right? That's why I asked you. 3 comes after 2. Okay. So 3 is greater.
I can't.
Okay, then Adya Shri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Adya, help me out, Adya. What is this number here, Adya?
2.
And what is this number here?
6.
Which is greater? 2 or 6? Which is greater?
6.
6. Yeah, after 2 only we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 comes after 2. So 6 is greater. Yeah, thank you, Adya. Okay, we started with Lakshita, Risha, right? Okay, Lakshita S. I think she has problem with muting. Okay, we'll move on to, is she there? Lakshita, are you here? Lakshita S. Lakshita S, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Cheppu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Lakshita, can you help me with this number? What is this number here, Lakshita?
8.
Okay, very good. What is this number?
2.
2, which is greater? 8 or 2, which is greater?
8.
Very good. After 2 only we have 3, 4, 5,
6.
7, 8. Very good. So 8 is greater. So the crocodile is opening the mouth towards 8, the bigger, greater number. Very good, super. So have you all done the worksheet? This one, the 18th day worksheet. 4, 6, 6 is greater. 7, 9, 9 is greater. So the crocodile is opening the mouth towards 9. 5, 1, 5 is greater. So crocodile is opening mouth towards 5. 3, 2, 3 is greater. Crocodile is opening the mouth towards 3. 2, 6. 6 is greater. Crocodile is opening the mouth towards 6. 8, 2. 8 is greater. So the crocodile is opening the mouth towards 8. Have you all finished? Can I close this? Anybody still writing? Raise your hand. I'll get to know. If anybody is still writing, Arjun is right. Arjun finished? Okay. Okay. Is anybody still writing? Shall I close that screen? I think you people have finished before me. Very good, children. Very good. Okay, I'm going to close this.
Ma'am?
I'll just show you now. Okay. Okay, children. I'm going to show you now. Are you able to see me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we saw, what did we see from the morning? First we did an activity, circle activity with little warm up. We sang rhymes, and then what did we do? We saw the crocodile story. It was eating the burgers. We did the maths worksheet. Quickly we'll do an activity and then we'll move on to the next. Okay. So please stand up. Last week we did the activity. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Keep your pencils and worksheet down. Cheer up. Yes. No jumping. Okay, this activity is very simple. We did last time. What did we do? We should turn. When I say turn around, you should turn around, touch your feet 3 times. Okay, and then say your name louder. Okay, so stand up, everyone. Kumaragurun, stand up, Kumaragurupran. Stand up, stand up. Okay, so what you should do? First step, when I say get, set, go, you should listen to ma'am. Only then you should do. Turn around, touch your feet, stand up. Touch your feet, stand up. Wait, Shravan, wait. Touch your feet, stand up 3 times, and then you should say your name. Okay, ready, children? Please don't unmute, okay? Okay, I'm going to see if all are doing it properly or not. No jumping here and there, okay? Ready? Get, set. I didn't say go. Get set, go. Turn around once. Turn around slowly. Okay. Touch your feet. 1. Touch your feet. Stand up. 2. Touch your feet. Up. Slowly. 3. Touch your feet. Stand up. Say your name. I'll see it. Yeah, you can please me or not and then say your name. Yes. Very good. Okay. Okay. Good. Come back to your place. Yes. This week or next week, when we have time, we'll do an activity wherein everybody will say your name so that all will get to know your names. Okay. Few people have not known your names, right? So we'll get to know this week or next week. Okay. Okay. Come back to your place quickly, children. I'm going to show you something nice now. And rest of the people who have not answered so far, they are going to help me out. Okay. I think we have done with Lakshya is done. So from Satvik, I have to start. Okay. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to learn about community helpers. Okay. Last week, you remember we learned about houses. Yes. Yes. Anybody has any question? What is that? Who's mute?
Lisha.
Yeah, Lisha, tell me.
Want to rescue, ma'am?
Yes, please go and come. No problem, Lisha. Okay. So last week, everybody's able to see my screen? I'm going to show you a picture. I told you, no? Okay. Let me see. Show me thumbs up, anybody, so that I can get to know your email screen. Okay. Thank you, Lakshraj. Thank you, Shravan. Yeah. So last week, we learned about houses. You remember? Okay. I'm going to ask, let me see how much you people are remembering. I forgot many house names. So you're going to tell me if you remember the house name. Okay. So Satvik, tell me one house name which we learned last week. Then only I'm going to show you the picture. Satvik, tell me. Satvik, louder.
Apartment.
Okay.
Boat house. Bangla.
Very good. That's enough. Thank you so much. Very good, Igloo. Super, Satvik. Okay, Nivin Sira, tell me one house name which we learned last week.
Hello. Camping. Camp.
Very good, sir. Very good, Nivin Surya. Yes. Then Roshan, tell me one house name which we learned last week. Let me check how far you people are remembering. Roshan. Very good. Okay. Mahaswin, can you tell me one house name? Kaushik, can you please turn mute? Kaushik, please.
House. Apartment house.
Okay.
Igloo house.
Very good, Mahaswin. Super. Ryan, tell me one house name. Ryan, house name.
Flat apartment. We are living on flat apartments, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Ryan.
Bamboo.
Okay.
Caravan.
Caravan.
Boat house.
Boat house.
Straw house. Bamboo house.
Okay.
State house.
Okay.
Straw house.
Okay. Tent.
Tent.
Very good. Sai Chiran, tell me the house names which you will remember we learned last week, right? Give me some house names, Sai Chiran.
Apartment.
Okay.
Boat house.
Okay.
Bamboo house.
Okay.
Tent.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's enough. Izan?
House. Bamboo house.
Okay.
Apartment.
Okay.
Caravan.
Okay. Good. Okay.
House.
So, apartment, stilt house, caravan. Very good. Bamboos. Very good, Izan. Okay. Water house? No. We learned only about boat house, stilt house. Thank you, Izan. Thank you so much. Then Shiva.
Say.
Bungalow.
Okay.
State house.
Okay.
Tent. Caravan.
Okay.
Bungalow.
Okay. Very good, Shiva. Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the houses which we learned last week? Name of the houses.
Then bamboo house.
Okay.
Igloo house.
Okay.
Building.
Okay. That's it? No problem. Tent. Okay.
Bangla.
Okay.
Apartment. House. Caravan.
Very good, Shravan. You almost got everything. Yes, for I think tent alone you left, I believe. Okay, then Varnika's chance. Varnika. Okay, thank you, Shravan. Varnika. Okay.
Bungalow.
Okay.
Igloo.
Okay.
Caravan.
Okay.
Boat house.
Okay.
Tesla.
Okay. Thank you, Varnika. Yuvansai, can you say me some of the houses which you remember, Yuvansai? Please. Yuvansai?
Caravan.
Okay.
Igloo.
Okay.
Boat house.
Okay. Okay.
Tent.
Mm.
Bungalow.
Okay. That's it?
Bungalow.
Okay. That's it? Thank you so much, children. You all remembered very well. and you gave me almost all the houses. Everybody, very good. Mahaswin, can you please sit straight? Izan, come to your place. I'm not able to see you. Lisha, please sit down, Lisha. Lisha, can you please sit down? Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so we learned about houses last week, right? So who is building this house? Who will help us build this house? Can we build a house? No, right? There are many people who are helping us. Izan, only if you sit down, I'm going to show you pictures. Only if you sit properly, I'll show you pictures. No jumping on the bed. Yes, very good. So there are so many people, they're helping us to build the house. Okay. So this week, we are going to learn who are all helping us to build the house. Okay. So what will happen when we come to school? Who is helping us? Ma'am is helping us. Okay. And aunties are there, they're helping us. Right. When we come to school. At home, who are helping us? Your parents or mother is helping, your father is helping, your brother is helping, sister. If you have grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, they are helping you, right? So, while building the house also, we cannot build ourselves. There are some people who are helping us. Okay, we are going to learn who are helping us to build the house. When we see the house, what are there in the house? I'll say, just check if I'm saying it right. In the house, we have walls. We have walls, right? We have walls. We have taps. We have switches. Yes, we have switches for fans and lights. Yes, when we want to wash our hands, we need tap. We have taps. We have switches. We have doors and windows in the house. We have walls in the house. And is the walls colorful? Yes, when you check your house walls, it is colorful, right? Some will have white color, some will have yellow color, some will have blue. You have different colors for your walls. Okay, so we are going to see who are all helping. Okay.
I have.
Okay. So we are going to see who are all going to help us to build our house and make our house look beautiful. Okay. That is what we are going to see today. First one is electrician. Electrician. This uncle, see what is he doing? He's checking the wires. This is called screwdriver. Okay. This uncle is using this to check if you get proper current to your house, whether your switches are working properly, whether your fan is working properly, whether the light is glowing nice, whether the mobile is charging properly. All those this uncle will do. All your switches, if your fan gets repaired or your light is not glowing in your house or your AC is not working, you have to call electrician. Whom should you call? Electrician. This uncle will come, bring this. These are the tools uncle will use. Okay. He will bring all this, come and check the repair and fix it for you. So this uncle is called electrician. Everybody at home, please stay on mute and open your mouth and say electrician. 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 Okay. You know, who is this? She's having a brush and she's painting. She's a painter. When your house looks beautiful with nice colors, somebody said, I think Sai Charan said about red color. So all this, the painter will do for us. Next one, carpenter. Carpenter. This uncle is having a saw. See how he's cutting? He's cutting the wood. He'll cut the woods like this and make windows, doors, tables, desk, all those things this uncle will make. He is called carpenter. He is called carpenter. The next one, sometimes at house your tap will be leaking with water or your tap will not get water at all. So what will happen? You have to call plumber. Plumber. This uncle, you see, he's repairing. This is a sink. It doesn't get water. So the uncle is using this and he's checking and fixing this repair. Okay, he's called plumber. And you know who is building our house? This is the uncle who builds the house. He's called mason. Mason. He used this. He is keeping the bricks here and building the house. So he's called mason. So today is just introduction. For the next 2-3 days, we're going to learn the same thing. So electrician, he uses this tool. Painter uses a brush to paint the walls. Carpenter cuts the wood with a saw. He makes doors and windows. Plumber, he uses this red color one and fixes our taps and sinks. Mason, he uses this tool and he builds the house with bricks. Okay. So now,
Mom, I tell you how to.
what? Who is that? Saichana, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Tell me.
The who's building the house? He used not like it and put the brick.
Okay, yeah. The uncle who builds the house is called Mason. He puts the brick and builds the house. Okay. So quickly, we have 5 more minutes. We'll complete this worksheet. It's very simple. Okay, please take this worksheet. It's SR D21 CTWS01. The worksheet I'm showing you. Please take this worksheet, children. SR D21. You will have like this picture in that worksheet. Today's worksheet, day 21 worksheet. Just 3 pictures. We'll just match the picture and complete this.
I'm not able to see you.
You're not able to see me?
Yes, ma'am.
The worksheet I'm sharing, you're not able to see? Just give me a minute.
D22, ma'am.
No, it's ma'am. No, ma'am. We can't.
Sorry?
Speaking.
D21.
D22.
Day 21. Are you able to see me?
Yeah, ma'am. No, ma'am. We cannot see you.
You're able to see? Umam, are you there? Are you able to see me, Umam, ma'am? Okay, the screen I'm sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
So for us, it is D22, ma'am.
For us, it's D22, ma'am.
Oh, it's D22 for you. Okay, can you just take D20? In D21, you don't have like this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Take this worksheet. I have it as D21. No problem. Those who are having. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, take that. You have this one as D21. That's different from whatever I am having here. If you are having it as day 22, no problem. Check if you are having this worksheet, take this worksheet. Okay? This is what you are having. That's in day 21. Is that you are having in day 21?
Yes, ma'am.
That's actually in day 23 for me. What about others? Everybody is having the same thing. You're not having this worksheet I'm showing.
Ma'am, I'm having the
What
same
I'm
thing.
showing, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So others, can you search in day 22 or 23? If you're having this one I'm showing.
Ma'am, we
The one
have
I'm-
the same. That is D21. That is.
The one I'm showing now is day 21. Can you please check if we have it under day 22 or 23? If so, please take that.
I got it correctly, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Ryan, check. Please get help from your mother. Check it if you have it in day 22 or 23. Okay. And Saicharan too is having the issue, right? Okay, Shravan is okay. Shravan is having the same thing. Adya, you have the same thing. What I'm showing, Adya? Okay, good.
Lena,
Okay, what about Ryan? Yeah, Ryan. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Ryan. You got it. Good. Okay, Shiva. Yes, Shiva. Yes, that would help us. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to show the screen. So first one is what? I told you, the uncle is building the house with a brick. He is called Mason. What is he called? Mason. What he'll do? He'll build the house. So which is building the house here? This one? No. Here they've covered everything and they're painting. Here They are building the house. This one, the tap is getting leaked. So mason will not paint. Mason will not fix the tap. He will build the house. So building the house, match it. Mason building the house with the bricks, and he will use that shovel.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
finished.
Very good. Those who have finished, please check if ma'am is doing it right. Okay. Those who didn't finish, check, see what ma'am is doing. Okay. Next one is plumber. See, he's fixing the tap. So the tap is getting leaked. The water is getting wasted. So the plumber is going to go and fix the tap.
I finished, ma'am.
Very good. Those who have finished, please check if ma'am is doing it right. The last one is painter. He's having a brush. He's having a red color paint. Already there is white and yellow color paint. All the things are covered. So he's going to go and paint the wall. Match it. Those who didn't do it now. Those who had done already, very good children. Very good. I think most of you have already done. Very fast, children. Good. So the homework for today is those who have worksheet, you're going to do day 20 homework sheet, the one I'll send you. Okay. And then those who don't have worksheet, you can write the same thing in the rough note and practice greater number and smaller number. Okay. And we didn't have time today. So tomorrow we will write alphabet E and F together. Okay.
Arjun is having like this, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just check, ma'am. Yeah, Arjun, show me. Okay, he's having circle like this. Okay, let him just trace it, ma'am. That's fine.
Okay.
No problem. Instead of matching, they have given the tracing lines. You can just trace it, Arjun. Nice.
Okay.
Just trace it, okay? Mason to building, plumber to water tap, and then painter to painting the wall. Okay. So others, it's clear, right? So the homework I'll send you, and I'll just show you quickly E letter. Tomorrow we will write, okay? I'll just show you. So how will we write E? Normally, how will we write? We'll write it as like this. Capital E will write like this, right? So in cursive, how will we write? Is like this, slanting line. Like this, we'll write. I'll show you today. We'll write it tomorrow. Okay? You will write it tomorrow with me. Today, I'll just show you. So this is cursive E. You will write cursive E like this. Okay? And small cursive E is like this. We'll write E and F tomorrow together. Okay, children? So that's all for today. Yes, thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Yes, thank you so much. If you have any questions, stay on the line. Yes, thank you so much. Bye, Nayan. Bye, Lakshman. Bye, Varnika. Bye, Gautam. Bye, Gautam. Bye, Kaushik. Bye, Satvik.